Coincident Constraint is a tool that forces two separate geometric points to share the exact same location or locks a point directly onto a line, arc, or circle. Let's look at an example. Just draw two separate lines, then select the endpoint of one of the line and the endpoint of the second line. Then click the Coincident Constraint tool in the toolbar. The 2 points are now joined together. If you move one line, both lines remain connected. The coincident constraint is also commonly used to attach a sketch to the origin. Simply select a point in your sketch, and then select the origin. Next, apply the coincident constraint. The selected point is now fixed to the origin. The coincident constraint is essential for connecting sketch elements and defining their position. You will use it almost every sketch you create in FreeCAD. Next, we'll take a look at the symmetry constraint.